Welcome to my channel, where we explore the journey of motherhood with warmth and understanding. In this video, I want to share something truly special: how to use the Pigeon manual breast pump in the most gentle and comfortable way. Whether this is your first time or you're looking to refine your technique, let's discover together how to make pumping a smooth and pleasant experience. Sparkles starting your pumping journey. First, unpack the breast pump and take a moment to appreciate its simplicity. Each part is thoughtfully designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine. Soap thoroughly clean all components before assembly. This ensures both hygiene and peace of mind as you prepare for this intimate moment. Sparkling heart gently place the flange against your breast, ensuring a snug fit. Imagine the warmth of your baby snuggling close. Position the flange so that your nipple is centered, creating a natural and secure seal. This connection between you and the pump reflects the deep maternal bond you share with your little one. Woman getting massage before starting. Take a few moments to massage your breasts. Visualize the gentle rhythm of your baby nursing, naturally stimulating milk flow. Soft, tender strokes help trigger the letdown reflex, preparing your body for the next step. Raised hands squeeze the handle lightly to build suction gradually, starting with a gentle force and increasing as needed to find the most comfortable setting. Let the pump mimic the natural sucking rhythm of your baby until you establish a pace that feels just right. There's no need to force anything. Steady rhythmic pumping works best. Counterclockwise arrows button. If you feel any discomfort, pause and adjust the pump's position. Listen to your body. It will guide you to the perfect balance. Droplet. Once one side is fully expressed, switch to the other and repeat the process, ensuring both breasts receive equal attention. Remember, pumping is an act of love and self-care. Smiling face with hearts when you're finished. Take a deep breath and enjoy the satisfaction of providing essential nourishment for your baby. Sparkles. Convenient features of the Pigeon manual breast pump. Baby bottle includes useful accessories such as bottles and flanges for added convenience. School backpack. Compact and portable, making it easy to fit into a busy mom's schedule. Muted speaker. Quiet operation, minimizing noise so you can pump discreetly anytime, anywhere. Baby symbol. For working moms balancing career and childcare, the pump's portability is a game changer, allowing you to express milk without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. Light bulb. If suction seems weak, check the flange fit. A properly fitted flange enhances both comfort and efficiency. Glowing star. If you ever feel discouraged, remember that practice makes perfect. Over time, you'll find your rhythm, and pumping will become as natural as breathing. Sparkling heart. Wishing you a smooth and joyful motherhood journey.